Noswaith Dda this evening is all about celebration and showcasing some of the real human stories behind the teaching profession.
It's such a hard job. It does require stamina.
Mae'n hanfodol bwysig bod y plant ma'n gwybod, na, mae gwyddoniaeth yn rhywbeth i fi, gwyddoniaeth yn rhywbeth sydd o fewn fy ngafel i, ac erbyn i nhw adael ym mlwyddyn 11, maen nhw'n bobl llawn. Rydw i wedi chwarae rhyw fath o rôl yn eu paratoi nhw.
Cymraeg yw fy mwnc, dysgwr ydw i, ond mae'r dysgu Cymraeg yn rhywbeth sy'n agos iawn at fy ngalon.
As a teacher, I am motivated by helping students realise their aspirations, and there is a specific pride in seeing a pupil finally understand a concept after a period of difficulty or achieving those goals that they have set.
One of the greatest privileges for me in working in education is the chance to make a positive difference to the lives of young people every single day.
And it's why going into teaching is so rewarding and it is so special.